RAG Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Explain the problem with AI models. AI models generate answers based on training data. But they can be outdated, miss specific company data, hallucinate incorrect information. What is RAG? RAG Retrieval-Augmented Generation combines AI with real-time data retrieval. Instead of relying only on training, the model fetches relevant information first, then generates a response. How IT works. Step 1, user asks a question. Step 2, system retrieves relevant documents. Step 3, AI generates an answer using that data. This makes responses more accurate and contextual. Key components: retriever finds relevant data, generator creates the final response, knowledge base, source of truth, documents, databases. Why IT matters: more accurate answers, up-to-date information, reduced hallucination. Enterprise ready AI systems, real-world use, customer support bots, enterprise search systems, internal knowledge assistance, document-based queue, and AI systems. The advantage: RAG allows AI to use your data, not just general knowledge. The future: RAG is becoming a standard pattern for building reliable AI applications. It turns AI from a generic tool into a context-aware enterprise solution.